Hi there! It's time to unlock the power of dictionaries, a fantastic data structure in Python. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to create, manipulate, and search through dictionaries like a seasoned Pythonista. Let's take an example of a dictionary that classifies cities into different tiers. New York, Tier 1, Los Angeles, Tier 1, Seattle, Tier 2, Pittsburgh, Tier 2. This is how you declare a dictionary. Let's say you are managing a car rental service and want to store information about cars such as their make, model, and daily rental price. Dictionaries are perfect for this task as they allow you to store data in key value pairs, making it easy to retrieve information. Here we are looking at dictionaries. Let's start with an example car. A dictionary is an unordered mutable list of values. It comprises key value pairs. In the example of car, we have 3 keys: make, model, and daily rental price. Each of them has values: Toyota, Camry, and 50. We can reference individual values through indexes and keys. Let's show an example. Car with key as make should return the value corresponding to the key make, which is Toyota. Similarly, if we were to delete a particular key, we use the command delete. If we were to iterate over the items of the car, we use the function items. Let's move to another example of car rental. Here, the dictionary is a nested dictionary with dictionary within the dictionary. There are 2 dictionaries, Car 1 and Car 2, both of which are a dictionary by themselves. They have keys like make, model, and daily rental price. The car rental dictionary is iterated over multiple times to access the values present within its dictionary. Let's start with total price is equal to 0. We would want to compute the average price after picking the price for each car and computing the overall average. We perform this operation using for loops, for car ID and car info in car rental. Items, we are using this loop to iterate and pick the daily rental price of cars present within the dictionary. The variable total price is repeatedly added, with the daily rented price being picked from the car information. The average price is computed as the total price divided by total number of cars. As you see on the screen, the average daily rental price is 47.5. Now let's move to Chat GPT to check how Chat GPT can help us understand dictionaries and give some examples. There you go. Chat GPT has provided a detailed, comprehensive information on how to use dictionaries in Python, along with certain modules like collections, which can be very useful. We can pick one of these codes and execute them on Jupyter notebooks. In the next section, we'll dive into flow control, where you learn how to use conditional statements and loops to control the execution of your Python code. It's an essential skill for any Python programmer. In this video, we explored dictionaries in Python and learned how to create dictionaries with key value pairs. Access, add, update, and remove data. I trade through keys and values. With dictionaries under your belt, you are ready to tackle flow control. See you in the next section. Like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's build a strong Python community together.